So I had the incredible opportunity to attend and present at one of the biggest tech events in the country, GITEX Nigeria 2025. And honestly, it was an unforgettable experience. This is me right here on the walkway, already feeling the excitement in the air. You could tell immediately that this wasn't just any event. People came in from different parts of the country representing different industries and sectors, and they all gathered in one place with a shared passion for technology and innovation. As I walked into the main arena, the energy was on another level. The space was filled with diverse tech innovators, startups, and established organizations, each with their own kiosk, showcasing products, solutions, and groundbreaking ideas. Everywhere you looked, there was something new to actually explore. I made my way through the crowd and quickly located our spot. I met up with my colleagues and we got right to work, setting up and preparing to welcome guests and participants. We spent time engaging with attendees, introducing them to our solutions and having insightful conversations around cybersecurity and cloud security. After a while, I took some time to, connect with friends and new connections, as well as capturing the moment. We're exchanging ideas and, just enjoying the networking that makes events like this, so special. Once that was done, I decided to take a full tour of the arena. I wanted to see what other innovators were building, the problems they were solving, and how technology is being applied across different sectors. It was inspiring to see the creativity, the ambition, and the talent on display.
All these extensions I'm seeing everywhere. I don't like it. Hi, how
Then came the big moment. It was my turn to present. I had the opportunity to deliver my session, in a dedicated presentation room, a space that was filled with curious minds, thoughtful questions, and engaging conversations. The atmosphere was interactive and energizing, which made the experience even more rewarding. My presentation actually focused on Lacework, FortiCNAPP, where I shared insight on how organizations can achieve unified cloud-native application protection, gain deeper visibility, and also be able to implement proactive security across modern cloud environments.
Enough time, to work. Then we have the composite alerting via the Lacework AI. This also correlates data from your workload, from your cloud services, also from your code repository.
Overall, GITEX Nigeria 2025 was more than just an event. It was a powerful reminder of how fast technology is evolving and how important collaboration, innovation and security are in shaping the future.